When you hear words like luxury and elegance, you can't help but think of a Bentley, and this one is no exception. Finished in racing green, paired with a Magnolia Hide interior, there is a real feel of sophistication coming from inside the cabin of our 1993 Bentley Turbo R. Well cared for throughout its life, it has been maintained to a high standard and is now ready to bring class and style to a new owner. In with a chance of winning our 1993 Bentley Turbo R, then head to the British Classic Cars competition's website for all the information you need and to enter the draw. Good luck!